Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to ban or kick someone from your Discord server. So first, if you want to kick someone, you could just go to the members list just like so, and just click on, if you want to click someone, just click on this, but right here, right click on that particular person or bot or anything, just go to the members list and just go kick. Of course, there will be a reason for a kick, and you just need, it's not necessary to fill out this box. So if you don't want, just click on kick. Once you've done that, the bot will eventually be gone there, or the person. They can always come back if your server is on public and not private. So if you really want to like ban that person from your server, just click on ban. So this will pop up, and I will repeat it. It's not necessary to fill out all of these. You can just go click on ban. So I've banned a person already. So as you can see here, I'm gonna go to here, server settings, and under moderation. So as you can see, there's a bans option here, and here's the person that I banned. And for whatever reason that you want to unban that person, you can just go click on that particular person. Just click on revoke ban. If you don't want to, you could just go click on done. But let's revoke the ban right here. And as you can see, once you revoke the ban, when you go to the members list, the person will not be here anymore since you banned them. So you will need to make an invite again. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because helps reach more people. See you on the next one.